Welcome to Sravz Technical Series. In today's session, we will integrate the LangChain agent supervisor model we created in the previous session, in session 5, in the Angular UI. So this way we can make queries in the Angular front end. I'll fix this. So we'll make queries in the Angular front end, and then using the historical ticker plant framework, we'll leverage Rust to query OpenAI, get a well-formatted HTML, and then we'll display that in the browser. So I'll do a quick demo. I integrated the AI Assist tab here in the mutual funds page. So for example, for FPGRX, I want to get the top 10 holdings. So the raw data is in this format, the JSON format. So we go to the AI Assist, we'll select a key, and then we query that JSON data. So analyze. So we get the top 10 holdings in this format. So this is generated by OpenAI in a well formatted HTML, and then we display that in the front end. Similarly, I can query the next another ticker. So I'll take FSPTX, which is another fidelity fund. So I'll take top 10 holdings, get top 10 holdings, then press analyze. So for FPGRX, these are the top 10 holdings generated by the ChatGPT, OpenAI, a large language model, and we get this well formatted HTML, and we display that in the UI. So as I mentioned, we use the Rust based ticker plant solution. We create historical ticker plant we created. So the browser sends a message on Node socket, WebSockets to Node.js. Node.js uses NSQ to post a message to the Rust application. The Rust application will use the Python code base, which we developed in the previous session, to send data to OpenAI. So the code base is in this repo, Sravz repo, and then each Git module. So the Rust code base is in the backend-Rust. I added a new service called LLM LangChain helper.LangChain service. This is the new service I added. The LangChain service will call the Python application, which is here in LangChain helper.py, and then this does all the queries which we discussed in the previous session. So I won't go through the Python code base here. And in the front end, we added in the mutual funds component, we added this LLM analysis, which we showed in the, we have the AI Assist, which shows the data here. And this is logged in users only. So if you go here, it should show only if you use Google to log in, it will work, or else you have to create a user. But it doesn't work for the guest user, just to prevent excessive usage of the API. So with that, I'll close today's session. If you have any questions or comments, please reach me out in the YouTube channel or in the discussion tab here. Thank you for watching.